Hi, this is Dave from Steel City Drones. Recently, I was looking back at all of how we got started in the drone industry, cutting our teeth, using drones for many, many years. I personally started flying drones in 2010, when drones weren't even called drones back then. And we translate that experience to all of our customers, whether you're looking for an enterprise line of drones or even just a consumer grade drone. We have all of the knowledge that can help you on the phone. What you're about to see right now is some of the work that we've been very proud to be a part of over the years. And again, experience matters. I hope that when you see this video, that you have confidence to be able to buy from Steel City Drones.